Damn, I'm black. Sheesh. Yours poppin' Playboys, this is your boy Sean back again with another video. And I've been thinking, like, should I get a new intro? Should I be like, yo, what's poppin' Playboys, and just jumped into the video? Or should I do the same? Yours poppin' Playboys, your boy, yeah. Let me know in the comments. Today I'm gonna be getting the side skirts on the car. But first I'm gonna wash them because they are pretty dirty. And there's no point in me putting these on my car if they're gonna look dirty. I mean, my car is dirty right now, so I could just wash them at the same time, wash this and the car. I don't feel like washing my car, so I'm just gonna wash the side skirts and put them on the car. Alright, so the side skirts are now washed and clean. Well, they're clean in my terminology, so yeah, they still have like little black markings here and there, but after that the skirt's pretty clean. I guess the person who had it was like pretty low, or I don't know, because he's just like scraping the crap right here. But yeah, after that, side skirts are pretty clean. Like, yeah, it's pretty clean. Well, cleaner than how they look when I first got it, and they shine like beautifully. Look at that sparkle. So yeah, now I'm gonna go to the front and I'm gonna put these bad boys on the car and see how they look. I'm not drilling into my car because I feel like that's unnecessary. I'm just gonna use some 3M tape. It looked like the person before me had 3M tape on it, because like you can see the outline of the 3M. So yeah, 3M tape for the win.
Who are you?
Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, you guys, I'm gonna get the 3M tape and literally like put out the outline. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's like a little dark outline where the guy had it before. So literally I'm gonna come from right here, go all the way down, go all the way down. I'm gonna do that for this side skirt and that side skirt, and then I'm gonna clean the bottom of my car off a little bit because it is a little dusty. Then I'm stick the side skirts on, and yeah, that's really it for the video, man. So let's get it started, y'all. All right, guys, so as you can see, it's a different time. It's not as bright as it was earlier because I kind of took a break doing the side skirts because I ran out of 3M tape for the other side skirts. So I waited for my girlfriend to come. She didn't take that long, but we started eating food and chilling. So yeah, I'm finished to install now. I gave my car a little wash because it was filthy. I don't feel like washing my car.
Gotcha, bitch.
So yeah, man, get these side skirts installed. Get these skirts installed. I don't know if I'm not gonna set up a tripod because I don't think you guys want to see me just stick them on. So I'm just gonna put the side skirt. Actually, I didn't even show you guys what I did. So this is how I did them. 3M tape going all the way down. Same thing on the other skirt. 3M tape going all the way down. So I hate living by airport, but so the next thing I'm
2 hours later. 6.5 hours later.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is basically just lining them up and then peeling off the tape and then sticking, you know, the tape on the car. So yeah, man, I'm gonna show you guys the outcome after I finish. Let's get it. Alright, so here goes one side. One side's on. I honestly like it a lot. It's real simple. Yo, I'm making this video so long for no reason, but today is the second day. There's really no purpose of this day. I'm just gonna inform you guys what I did because yesterday got dark, so you guys can see. So yeah, I think the last clip was me showing you guys the I think the passenger side. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the driver's side. So here's the driver's side. As you can see, it's real clean, except for these two little dents right here that I gotta get pulled. But after that, the SI is just
looking very nice today. I had a little fitment issue with the driver's side, but it seems like it went away. So I guess that's not a problem no more. But yeah, man, $70. Side skirts already painted blue, and they're pretty nice. There's no scratches on it. Really not, man, some scratches, but not that much. But you feel me? Hey, crap clean. So if you guys enjoyed, please smash the like button, comment, subscribe, and your boys out. Yeah.